I'm Vance Miller, and this is the Wire to Explore YouTube channel. Today, I want to brew a oatmeal stout. It's an extract kit from Northern Brewer. So let's get brewing. And there's a couple things I want to do with this brew day. First, I want to mess around with the water profiles. I know that the liquid and the dry malt extract from Briess are made with their water profile, whatever that is. I don't know what it is because I can't find it. I'm going to experiment and take this 5-gallon batch and split it into 3. The first batch I'm going to make with just the reverse osmosis water. The second batch, I'm going to use a moderate water profile for an oatmeal stout recipe that I found on Brewers Friend. And then the third batch, I'm going to use more of an extreme water profile for an oatmeal stout from one of my favorite breweries. At the end, I'm going to do a blind taste test with my family and friends and see which stout they prefer.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, it is. Guys, there's nothing quite like the smell of hops. This is Brewer's Gold hops, 1 ounce. Man, that smells so good. These are gonna go in at the beginning of the boil, and then I'll add the rum raisins about 45 minutes into the boil. We'll finish it off with some DME. All right, boil's just beginning. We're gonna turn the heat off. I've had my LME warming up in some hot water. So the first 3.15 pounds of Munich malt extract. We're gonna pour in the gold malt extract. So this Golden Light DME, this goes in at 45 minutes. Fermenter keg has the sanitizer all bubbled up in it. That's not a big deal. My cinnamon stick soaked in dark rum gets tossed in the fermenter. All right, time to add 1 pound of DME. With 5 minutes to go, I'm adding the dark rum soaked raisins. I'm gonna aerate the wort this way. All right, for the original gravity of the oatmeal stout, we are looking at a, let's see here, looks like it's 1.064. I was shooting for 1.066, so I'll take it. All right, first brew day of the year has been completed. I have the wort fermenting right now here in the fermentation keg. I'm gonna do a jumper from the in ball lock to the out ball lock on the serving keg. And then what that'll do is as this one ferments, the CO2 will then purge this and it'll come out the spunding valve.